Problem asks us, what is the incidence of wound infection among those who did not have an incidental appendectomy per 100? So we have an among, which means we're looking at a subcategory of data, either IE or INE. And this time it says, those who did not have an incidental appendectomy. Okay, so incidental appendectomy, no. That means we're looking at this row of data this time around. So we're calculating INE, or the incidence in the not exposed. So INE, the incidence in the not exposed, is the number new cases not exposed. So the number of people who got wound infection even though they did not have an incidental appendectomy over the total non-exposed, which means the total that did not have an incidental appendectomy. So if we go look at this, where do we go find our number of new cases that were not exposed? So among the cases, how many not exposed? We got 1. Then we need to go find out where do we find our total not exposed. Our total not exposed is down here. So therefore, INE equals 1 divided by 79. And then we have our multiplier times our multiplier. And if we go look at it, it says it's per 100 times 100 equals. And we come up with 1.265, which rounds up to 1.3. Once again, we need to explain what this 1.3 means. So 1.3 cases of wound infection per 100 people not exposed so they did not have an incidental appendectomy. Per 100 people without incidental appendectomy. And that would be our final answer.